Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML on your Shopify store. Minification is a simple optimization that removes unnecessary spaces, comments, and formatting from your code without changing how your website works. Smaller files load faster, which can improve your page speed, core web vitals, and overall customer experience. The best part is that Shopify already performs some optimization automatically, but there are still a few things you can do to keep your store running as efficiently as possible. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Before making any changes, click the three-dot menu beside your live theme and select Duplicate. This gives you a backup in case you ever need to restore your original theme after editing. Next, click the three-dot menu again and choose Edit Code. This is where you'll find your theme's CSS, JavaScript, and Liquid files. If you're using a modern Shopify theme like Dawn, much of the code is already optimized, so avoid making unnecessary changes unless you know exactly what you're editing. If you've added custom CSS or JavaScript over time, review those files and remove any code that is no longer being used. Unused styles and scripts increase file sizes and force browsers to download extra resources that don't contribute to your storefront. If you want to minify custom code, use a trusted CSS or JavaScript minifier before pasting the optimized version back into your Shopify theme. These tools remove unnecessary formatting while keeping the code fully functional. Be careful not to minify Shopify Liquid code directly, since Liquid syntax should remain readable and compatible with Shopify's rendering engine. Another good practice is to avoid installing multiple apps that load their own CSS and JavaScript files. Every additional app can add more resources that customers need to download. Removing unused apps often has a greater impact on performance than manually editing theme code. You should also avoid copying large code snippets from tutorials unless they're absolutely necessary. Many stores accumulate old tracking scripts, widgets, or styling that is no longer being used. Cleaning up these additions can noticeably reduce page size and improve loading times. After making your changes, click Save, then open your storefront in an incognito or private browser window. Browse your homepage, collections, and product pages to make sure everything still displays correctly and that no layouts or interactive features have been affected. Next, run your website through Google PageSpeed Insights. Compare your results before and after your optimizations. While Shopify automatically handles many performance improvements, reducing unnecessary CSS and JavaScript can still help improve loading times, especially on larger stores with customizations. As your store grows, make it a habit to review your custom code every few months. Remove outdated scripts, delete unused CSS, and only keep the code that's actively supporting your storefront. Regular maintenance helps prevent your theme from becoming unnecessarily large over time. Finally, remember that performance isn't just about minifying code. Optimized images, fewer third-party apps, clean theme files, and efficient layouts all work together to create a faster Shopify store. And that's it. That's how to minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML on Shopify. By keeping your custom code clean, removing unused files, minimizing extra scripts, and testing your performance regularly, you can build a faster store that delivers a better experience for every customer. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.